Did your check engine light just turn on, followed by your car losing all its get up and go? If you have scanned it and found the code P0003, you are dealing with a specific electrical fault in your fuel system. This code stands for Fuel Volume Regulator Control Circuit Low. This applies to all OBD2 vehicles, especially diesels and direct injection gas engines, like those from Audi, Ford, or Volkswagen. To understand this, you need to know how your fuel reaches the engine. In high-performance setups, a high-pressure fuel pump compresses the fuel before it hits the injectors. The fuel volume regulator is the gatekeeper that decides the pressure level. The computer controls this regulator using an electrical signal. When you get a circuit low code like P0003, it means the voltage signal returning to the computer is lower than it should be. In electrical terms, this often points to a short to ground. Basically, the electricity is escaping somewhere it should not, rather than completing the circuit properly. The symptoms are immediate. The malfunction indicator lamp will light up, the car might not start at all, or it will go into limp mode, severely restricting your speed. The potential causes here are usually wiring related. The signal wire might have rubbed against the metal of the engine block, causing a short to ground. It could also be a failed solenoid inside the regulator that has collapsed internally, or corrosion in the connector acting as a resistor. Your first step in solving this is to check for technical service bulletins. If there are none, get your eyes on that wiring harness. Trace the wires from the fuel volume regulator back toward the main computer. You are looking for pinched wires, melted insulation, or spots where the copper is touching metal. If you find a damaged wire, repair it with proper heat shrink and solder. Do not just tape it up. Remember, the regulator usually has two wires. Do not test them by jumping the battery to them, or you will likely burn out the engine control unit. If the wiring is pristine, the regulator itself might have an internal short. If you're not confident using a multimeter to test for shorts to ground, this is the time to visit a professional technician. Messing with the main harness can cause expensive damage if done incorrectly. Stay safe on the road, and we will see you next time.